What's up, guys, and welcome back to the vlog. Today is a series vlog, if that's a thing. So we're gonna do the Street Hunter wide body C8 kit with all the carbon goodies and the carbon hood. You're gonna want to see it here. It's gonna be over a couple videos. Let's get it. Wait, first, back up. First, we need to go pick up the kit. Then we're gonna get it. Let's go. Here, guys, somewhere in this giant building is the body kit for the C8. Let's go find it. All right, guys, we've got the box. I'm absolutely pumped to see what this kit looks like. Before we go any further, I just want to make a quick stop and check something out. Actually pretty funny, guys. If you check it out, this is where we filmed the video doing the donuts in the Lambo. This is where the Aventador was doing the donuts. These marks are for sure 6 months old and have been through winter snow, grading from vehicles and tractors and everything. It's impressive they're still there. Some of the other ones are actually gone, but pretty cool. The Aventador ones are still there. And actually even crazier than the Aventador marks over there, these are from the C10, and it's hard to believe they're still here, although I did lay into it pretty good when I did that. All right, let's get on the road. Grim, you see it? You see it? See what I got there? You see it?
Yes, it looks big.
It's really heavy. Oh, I can't get my hand under there.
It's a button.
Oh, come on. Oh man, Graham. What do you think, buddy?
Excited.
Excited? Let's get into it.
Nobody knows.
Oh man, Surges. Oh, there's a shirt. Yes. Oh, it's an extra large. You're not an extra large. Graham's an extra large.
Corvette C8. I'm at least a double XL.
Yep. Find something cool in here. Like, what is this? Oh, this is the front. This should be carbon. This is the front splitter. Silicone. Oh, this is the front window banner.
Oh.
Yeah. Oh, Graham, look what's over here. That's my front chin. Not chin like chin.
There's no chin there.
Oh man.
Oh man.
That. Oh man.
Wow.
Damn. I'm pretty impressed with that.
That's nice. It's very thick.
Like, we need now is a Corvette to put this on.
Yeah.
So wide.
Yeah, that's how wide the car is, dude. Well, that's how wide the car will be. There should be, where's the chassis mount? That should be carbon too. George, do that again. That was the spoiler, dude. That's the spoiler.
Oh my god. How tall is it?
Okay, for reference, Serge, how tall are you? 6 feet tall?
Yeah, 5'11".
5'11".
Awesome.
It should be carbon. We did everything he was supposed to. It should be carbon. Graham, I have a carbon hood coming too yet.
Really?
Yeah.
Hold the spoiler. Spoiler alert.
Spoiler alert, good job. Oh man, Graham.
There you go.
Oh, right? I can see your face in there. What are you looking at, Graham?
It's a pretty ugly view.
Oh, the scratch little guy.
How dope is that? That's the rear spoiler.
My goodness.
That's a nice weave.
Humongous.
Graham, does it pass your carbon fiber inspection?
Oh, yeah.
Oh yeah. What do you think? Would that fit your Civic?
Two of them
Your
together,
Civic's
maybe.
here.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm gonna go in a montage of it right away. Is it unlocked?
Yeah, it's unlocked.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna go do it. So you guys have to see this. Graham that was just in there, he's my foreman of this building, the shop. And he has this 92 EG Civic with a J32 M90 supercharger, still standard car. He's completely rebuilt it. I think he's had this car 20 years. I'm gonna do a montage.
I've tried shutting you off for some time now, but I'm still hearing your voice voice in my head. Oh, I wish I was more than your fan now, and that your voice came from here in my bed. You're in my headphones, baby, in my headphones, baby, in my headphones, singing to me. You're in my headphones, baby, in my headphones, baby, in my headphones, making me bleed.
Now, let's go through this thing. I'm not a Honda guy, or I shouldn't say I'm not a Honda enthusiast, or I don't have a Honda, but let's go through this and I'll tell you what I do know about it. I know it does have the centerline wheels. It has Hasport mounts in it, which is super cool. M90 supercharger, custom built adapter, J32 in it. I do dig the carbon. You know, there's one thing about a Honda or tuner car you can get away with is different match carbon. He has exposed carbon here. He has different color carbon on the rear, and then he's got a different color carbon hatch spoiler. Graham has an unreal amount of time to this thing, guys. Like, and the view from inside, you would think you're driving an old school big block. Like, how cool is that? Attention to detail. Graham has all the cool points on it. He's gone through and changed all of the bolts. Can't remember what brand those are. I'm sure he can tell us. But yeah, check him out, Instagram. So the weather definitely turned not for the better. Standing out here in the rain, waiting for a Corvette to show up. I think I see it. Yes, there it is, and he's overshooting the shop. All right, check this thing out. Holy man, I don't know if you guys can hear it. It's windy and rainy and cold. I don't know what happened. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about.
You're in my headphones, baby, in my headphones, baby, in my headphones, singing to me. You're in my headphones, baby, in my headphones.
All right, Serge, this is it, buddy. This is it. So all we have to do is add essentially 4 fender flares, a little bit of stuff there, some side skirts, giant spoiler, fender flare. We gotta lower the car, and yeah, he wants it back in a week. So
Real quick job.
yeah, just a quick job. We have a week to do this. So
The big blocks.
yeah. So yeah, let's do some the carbon front chin. We're gonna do.
Look at this.
Oh man, I know. They saw it earlier in the video, Serge.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, let's do this. Serge, that's it, buddy. We got it all laid out.
Finished.
We got the carbon chin. We got a couple side skirts we got to put on. A couple of fender flares, essentially. Widened spats. Giant deck spoiler. No problem. No problem. Well, I think we're going to start mounting everything on here. You guys do all the fun stuff. Like, subscribe. Serge, tell them to like and subscribe.
Like, subscribe,
Do all the
follow.
fun stuff. Follow.
all
This
the
is
fun.
going to be a sick build. How many videos do you think? 3 videos? At least.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're going to do it in 3 videos. You guys check it out.